Hey, what is up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? My name's Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today what I have for you guys is a microphone review by the company TONOR. And this is the TONOR Q9. It's one of those studio microphone bundle kits. Comes with the arm stand and a condenser microphone and a pop filter. It's a USB microphone and you shouldn't need any additional software or a sound card or anything like that. The computer should recognize it right away when you plug it into the computer. And just real quick guys, I want to show you guys the Amazon page. I have it up on my computer right here. So here it is guys, it goes for $69.99, comes with free shipping, and you have the option for free returns as well. And here's a picture of it over here, that's everything that comes with it. And I will go ahead and put the link to this Amazon page down in the description of this video in case you want to check it out for yourself. And also guys, really quick, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out at all, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notifications button. And I'm pretty excited to review this. I've reviewed several TONOR products in the past and they've been pretty good so far. So let's go ahead and get into this. Actually, right before we get into this, check this out. So I have my studio monitors on top of these cinder blocks. These are a little shorter than regular cinder blocks, and I got the tweeters pretty much at ear level, and I just wanted to know, will this be effective in decoupling my speakers from my desk? I think it's working pretty well, but I just want to know, like, if any of you guys know, please let me know in the comments below. I'd really appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get started guys. As usual, I will be doing a quick unboxing followed by a demonstration followed by a review. And just really quick before I continue, I just want to say thank you for TONOR. They actually sent me this for free to do this review, so thank you guys. I appreciate that. So let's go ahead and get on with this review. So right off the bat, when I opened this, it kind of smelled like Venice Beach in there, if you guys know what I'm saying. So I'm kind of wondering where it came from. It's kind of funny. But anyways, we got this clamp right here. This actually looks like a heavier duty clamp that came in their previous mic kit that I reviewed. So I'll put that over there. We have the actual condenser microphone itself, and it looks like you have some volume controls. I'm assuming that's going to be the input volume because it looks like there's no direct monitoring from the microphone. So I'm guessing these are going to affect the input volume of the microphone. And one other thing, there's actually no branding on this microphone by TONOR. Usually I think they do have their logo on their microphones, so I guess not with this one though. Right here we have the shock mount, and the shock mount, check it out, it's like a clamp. So you squeeze these sides, it opens up, you stick the mic in there, and it closes around it. Over here we have a little wind muff to go over the microphone. Over here we have a pop filter. Here's the USB cable and the arm stand. Gotta be careful with that, it's like spring loaded. It already popped open one time, so I'm gonna put that over here so it doesn't destroy anything. And then right here we have the instruction manual. So let's set this bad boy up and get on with the review. Alright guys, so I got the microphone connected to my computer. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to record the audio from this microphone into Logic Pro, and I'm going to be listening to that audio with headphones so I can hear exactly how it sounds while I'm recording. So on the count of 3, I'm going to switch from the microphone on top of my camera to the TONOR Q9. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so the audio that you are now hearing is coming from the TONOR Q9. Whoops, I just tapped it. And I gotta say guys, I'm listening to the audio right now through my headphones, and it sounds pretty good. Like I am pretty impressed by how this sounds. There is a little bit of a noise floor that I'm hearing wearing headphones, but I have a feeling if you're not wearing headphones, you won't even notice it. I think my voice sounds very crisp and warm, probably because I'm also really close to it. But I mean, I think it sounds good. I think it really sounds good. If you guys hear a watery noise in the background, that's my fish tank. I have a fish tank like pretty much right behind me. So that's where that watery noise is coming from. But I mean, it sounds clean for 70, I believe it was $70. Let's just make sure. This is definitely something I can recommend. So I kind of want to do a little comparison really quick, because just a few weeks ago, I did a review on another TONOR microphone, and it was a $40 microphone, and I think I mentioned in that video, check it out if you haven't checked it out yet, but I think I mentioned in that video that for like $70 you can get a microphone like this, and I think the difference in quality is pretty substantial. So let me just show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright guys, so this is the TONOR TC777. I reviewed this microphone a couple weeks ago, and you know, I feel like in that video I might have been a little bit harsh. I was a little bit harsh on the microphone, but I feel like for $40, it's not a bad microphone. But I just wanted to show you guys this microphone so you could compare it, like the difference in sound between a microphone that's around $40 and a microphone that's around $70. In my opinion, this microphone right here, let me go ahead and increase my input volume, because I feel like my voice is a little bit quiet. Like I feel like I have to be right on this mic to get it to be loud. So let me turn it up a little bit. Did that work? Check, 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 check. There we go. I mean, there's a bit more of a noise floor on this microphone for sure. But still not a bad mic for $40, but I just wanted to show you guys this so you can compare the two. The difference between a $40 microphone and a $70 microphone. In my opinion, for $40, this is fine, but if you do have a little bit extra money, it's definitely worth it to spend a little bit more money to get something like this. And let's just go ahead and switch back over to the TONOR Q9 real quick. Alright guys, so now we're recording through the TONOR Q9. It's kind of hard to keep track in my head, but I just wanted to show you guys what the audio quality difference of $30 gives you. So now I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the microphone on my camera. Mind you guys, the microphone on my camera is not going to sound as good as either of these microphones, just because it's a different kind of microphone. It's a shotgun type microphone, not a condenser. And so yeah, let's go ahead and switch back, and I'll give you guys my final review on this microphone. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the microphone on top of my camera. And I just want to say guys, as you could probably tell, I'm pretty happy with how this microphone sounded. I think it sounds really good. A couple things that I really liked about this microphone in particular is that I liked how you can change your input volume level by hitting these, let me show you guys, hitting these buttons on the front of the microphone. I think that's really cool because, you know, sometimes you want to just adjust that stuff on the fly and you don't want to have to go into your system preferences and change the audio input level and all that. It's nice to have that right on the microphone. Another thing that I do like about this microphone kit is that it comes with the heavier duty clamp to clamp onto your desk. I think that's really cool. Let me show you guys that real quick. So yeah guys, as you can probably tell, it makes me super happy when I review a product and I like the product and I give it a good review. That makes me so happy. All around guys, I think you get a lot of bang for your buck with this kit right here. $70 I think is a great price. Once again guys, I will have the link for this microphone set down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out. And if you guys like this video, or if this video helped you out in any way, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And also if you want to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notifications button. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.